Most routine videos stop when the face is done, but the part that tells you a routine works isn't how it goes on, it's how it comes off. So I filmed both. This is my full AM routine. Step 1 is the La Roche-Posay Toleriane Hydrating Gentle Cleanser, warm water. For this one, that probably took us, 30 seconds? Just going in with a light dab. And now step 2, the Kiehl's Vitamin C 3 drops. This one feels warm, like it goes in, you literally feel the warmness in the skin. Again, that was like on damp skin. It wasn't dripping wet, but there was still water on my face, right? So now, let's give it 60 seconds. Step 3 is my Azelaic acid. This is the 15% gel. So you wanna do a pea size, you have to move a bit fast. It literally gets harder to work in. Some people put it in specific spots on their face. I do not. I put it everywhere on my face, but no, I'm putting it literally every single space. It becomes thick, it becomes kind of sticky really quickly. You wanna move fast. You wanna wait 90 seconds. A lot of times, we're not letting things absorb long enough, especially things like vitamin C. They're very unstable. You need to give them time to absorb. Step 4, we moisturize. This is the Caudalie Vino Hydrate. I'm between the Caudalie or the Avenue Hydra 10. I'm not really shy when it comes to moisturizer. That's really what's gonna help, with irritation and things of that nature. And already glowing skin. Do you see what's happening? Because we're literally hydrating and sealing, right? My SPF 50. Now, this is a mineral sunscreen. What happens with mineral sunscreen, fellow friend? It is a white cast, but mineral sunscreen is said to be the best that we have for our skin. So we're going to just work through that. And I have just want to break up the molecules. Don't forget all of your brows, forehead line. You want to really get in there. I know. I know I'm purple already. Just work with me. Remember, and a lot of us under apply by over half. So really, you saw how much I put in there? You see how much literally that I have in here? Yeah. Use more than you actually think that you need. And then I'm gonna go in with my Hermès H Trio Mineral Powder in Sen. Go in with my Hourglass brush here. You see how white I got? This acts as a finishing layer. And you know what it's also doing? It's giving me back my color, right? Obviously. This mineral finishing powder doubles. It's doing double the work. It has the zinc iron that we need from a tinted, something that you would, rather than maybe going for a tinted moisturizer, which of course you can always do, you can always just put SPF on and then a mineral, right? A mineral powder like this, which also has iron oxide. So we are literally doing 2 things for one. We're literally protecting the skin and, a little bit of a literally perfection, color restored, 2 jobs for one. So if you're not using 2-in-1, a tinted moisturizer, this is the next go-to, where you put the sunscreen, the mineral sunscreen on, then you put in a zinc iron mineral powder like the Hermès one. Let me just make sure I blend this in. What I do for my Monday morning, I have to be in the office routine, light, barely any makeup, just clean skin. Then I'll of course go in with a mascara, a little bit of lipstick or blush as lipstick, doing 2 for 1 again, and then complete my look. If you're thinking, I don't actually know what most of my products are doing, that's the real audit. So I built a free shelf audit for exactly that. It walks you through what's earning its place, what's redundant, and what to stop purchasing. Links in the description. Do it once, decide once. Mind you, I really don't have that much makeup on. It was literally just mineral powder on top of sunscreen. So let's take my makeup off. I don't know what it is. I'm gonna start with my Caudalie Vino, what is this? This is my Caudalie Vino Clean. It's a makeup remover and a toner. I'm just gonna go in with, ooh. Oh my god. Okay. It's all fun and games, but the moment that thing goes on my skin, it's, you know, it's like a face mask. Let me take it off. Look at this. Look at that. And I didn't even think I put that much on, mind you. But you just kind of put my hair up. Actually, let's take my earrings off too while we're at. Okay, we did it. Let's just wipe. I grew up very much believing in toners. My mom was like, toner girly. And I really think it made a difference in her skin. Can you even see me? Or is this like, wait. I'm trying to help gravity by doing its thing and pulling my skin down. I'm literally like trying to always pull up. An upward motion. This lipstick is like incredible. I've eaten already and it's like super long lasting. Do you see this? All the makeup that I thought I didn't have on my skin, but I did. We're gonna go in with the Roche-Posay. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see it. Toleriane Gentle Cleanser. So this is actually soap free. It does not soap up at all. Does not need to be harsh all the time, especially with Tret being used last night, but I wore makeup, so. But you see, literally, I have my eyes open and it's like, there's no soap. But you see how like glossy it is? There's still cleanser. I don't have a lot of makeup left. Sure, right towards the edges. Hairlines where I can sense how makeup left. Feels so clean. I'm still loving that. I'm actually gonna go back in. Caudalie. Got this in Paris. Saturate the face. I really want to saturate. I always go like upward motion. I learned that I do not want to help gravity make my skin even worse. And this always tells the truth on my skin. Like, yeah, I'm exfoliating even more. Can you see that? Helps. I guess maybe I'm exfoliating even more. I want that toner to settle in my skin. Sing that. Now, we're gonna go with the La Roche-Posay. This is the Toleriane. It's a thermal water ceramide. Oh my god, like already, look at that glow. And we're gonna give this also a minute. Some people require 90 seconds, but for sure, we're gonna give it a minute. Sing a song, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star is 2 minutes. That gives you enough time to brush. Fresh, so clean, so precious. So